Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the chain accessible and safe. First, de-energize any motorized system and lower the blind a few inches so the chain is slack. This prevents sudden drops. Once done, feel for the chain junction where the loop meets its connector. That's your release point. Make sure to hold the blind fabric steady with one hand to keep tension even. Use the other hand to unclip or pry open the connector carefully. This is where removal starts, so be deliberate and controlled. With the chain open and slack, support the roller tube firmly to stop it spinning. Next, locate the mounting brackets. Some require tilting the end cap, others a small twist to release the pin. Carefully disengage one end while keeping the tube level. Once one side is free, lower the assembly slightly and unhook the opposite side. Feed the chain assembly out of its guide, then rotate the tube to unwind fabric if necessary. Move slowly so the fabric doesn't crease or the spring doesn't snap. Finish by addressing the spring tension and safely removing the fabric from the tube. If your roller has a locking pin or break, engage it before fully releasing tension. Otherwise, hold the tube tightly while sliding fabric off to prevent a sudden spin. Place small parts like connectors and screws into a labeled bag for reinstallation. If the spring snaps back or the fabric jams, stop, clamp the tube, and release tension slowly. That troubleshooting tip prevents injury and protects the blind from damage when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.